You can shorten up the ruler.
How many feet?
Not feet. I just need inches right now.
I'll just do 1 foot.
All right. So I get this one in. Okay. So we're gonna go. Oh, I see a hole I forgot to drill. So I see a hole I forgot to drill. So here's where we're gonna get this one. All right. Hold that for a second. Yep, you want to drill? Oh, actually, you can't. Here, take that 1 second. Change, pal. That's where I want this started. And okay, that's where I want that one started. Now let me drill a hole. You want to drill a hole? Here, you need that. Don't drill into my rocks. Right there where I missed it.
Okay.
So he's going to drill a hole for us. Yep, right there's good. Gotta hold the drill straight, bud. Put some pressure. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right. So he done did that for us. So that's good. I'll take that battery back. I should just get another battery, but I don't want to. Because I like using just the batteries I got out. All right, let me see my gun, please. Gun, 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 gun. Thank you. Okay. All right, now check our measurement, right? So, that's what we have to look at next. So up here, we have, cool, again, 1 7/8. All right, let me get down here. Down here, where did I put my center punch? So down here now, we want to go 1 7/8. Should work still. Should work. So let's go 1 7/8 here. Alright. See, so what we're doing, Keaton, is we're making sure our gap is the same up there and down here. Okay? So we want to go. Huh? 1 7/8. Alright. Like it. Let's get this one going. Move that piece of siding. Oh, it went right back in. Good. All right. 1 7/8. 1 7/8. Then we're gonna try this. Let's get some more screws in this bad boy though first. Fire whistle. Sounds like Hudson's fire whistle.
Yep.
Oops. Where'd that one go?
Inside.
What?
Inside.
It went inside?
It bounced inside.
Did it? No, I got 2. All right. So, let's see. You want to grab the camera. Oh yeah, grab the camera, it's starting to rain. Wow. It is very tightly sealed. That's great. Alright, where did that screw go? Okay, so we found that screw. Okay. It's starting to rain.
Did you ever know that your stand like swivels a little?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Alright. Yeah, let's bring this all inside.
Oh my god.
Yep, everything, let's bring it inside.
Rain and it's pouring.
Let's bring this inside. Alright, so just show them the brush kit, how it looks around the outside, and then we'll do the rest from the inside here. So if you want to show them that, and then we'll turn off the camera.
You want to just turn off your mic?
No, here, let me see it. Let me do this quick. Alright, so this is totally tractor. So what we did, see, we're putting this brush kit around the door. Man, is it sealing it. Sealing it pretty good. See how it goes around the door? We got the 3-inch at the top, 2-inch at the sides here. Okay? So, next is getting the other piece on the bottom. But it's starting to rain on us. So I'll show you the completed job when we're done. Again, this is Totally Tractors, Orange Life. Like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions about what we're doing, hit us up in the comments. We have, again, this is a Memtech brush kit, okay? I showed you the website through the video. So check it out. This is a good way to seal your roll-up curtain. That's what they call these, roll-up curtains, or roll-up metal garage door. All right, Totally Tractors. Like, subscribe, share.